Most of us live life making a living, but not a lot of time making a life. It's like we're in a hamster wheel. So it's the same thing over and over again. And there's nothing wrong with routine if it's tied to purpose. Amen? If your routine is tied to nothing, you're going to end up asking yourself, what did I do with this life that God gave me? You see, the car does not tell itself what it's going to do. A car doesn't decide, I'm going to be a plane. No. The maker tells the car what its purpose is, and it equips the car to be a car. See, we cannot self-define our purpose. That's why you can never determine your purpose outside of God's will, because